Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, guys. So if you are new here, my name is Imani and I do things all home decor, home decorating, and home inspiration. And if you like those kinds of videos, make sure you subscribe before you leave out. And if you are a returning subscriber, then hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, guys. I appreciate you guys always. So guys, in today's video, we're actually going to be doing another Goodwill haul. I've seen that you guys liked my last Goodwill haul, so I'm actually going to show you guys some items that I end up getting for my laundry room. I will be doing a laundry room makeover, so comment below if you guys would like to see my laundry room makeover, and also if you guys would like for me to film that journey, guys. So we're going to go ahead and get into the haul, show you guys exactly what I got to decorate my laundry room with. Comment below if you guys plan on doing your laundry room over, what kind of decor do you guys like, any tips and tricks on, you know, creating a beautiful space. Let's just have a conversation down below, guys. And do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed the video, and do not forget to subscribe before you leave out if you are not already a part of the family. So guys, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing that I end up getting for my laundry room, and basically guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably do some shelves in my laundry room. So it's going to be like an open like concept space. So the first thing that I actually got from the Goodwill is this clear container right here. I end up getting this to put like some little like detergent pods in there, and I thought this was really cute. And I thought it would fit the space perfectly. This was $6. It was a little expensive in my opinion, but I knew this was a quality glass container, and I knew that I would be able to use this in my laundry room and then actually see my items inside of the glass container. So this was actually the first thing I got, and it has just like these little like ridges on the side of it. I think it's really cute, and this was $6 from the Goodwill, and then it has like a little silver lid right here. So yeah, I thought this was really cute. Again, this was $5.99 from the Goodwill, so this was the first thing that I got for my laundry room. Okay guys, so the second thing that I end up getting is I end up finding this really cute plant. I feel like this cute little plant, I just thought this was really cute, and I think this will go really cute in the laundry room, decorate any space with the greenery. And of course you guys know that I love the black, so when I seen that it was black and it had like this really cute detail, I loved it right away. And guys, how cute is this? Love the plant on it, and I just love the little vase and just like the little details that's actually on the side too as well. I thought those were really cute. So again, this was $3.99, and I can really see this going up on a shelf looking real cute and just popping the area off really cute. So I like this a lot. So yeah, I ended up getting this little this actually did not come from the Goodwill. This actually came from Ross when I was in Ross the other day, but everything else basically came from the Goodwill. This was a cute, smelled so good. The smell just kind of reminded me of a laundry room. And I ended up getting this candle called White Jasmine. It's actually a soy wax scented candle, and it's a 10-ounce candle, and it ended up coming from Ross. And I thought this was really cute, and this was actually $5.99. So this was $5.99 from Ross, and it smells so good. I love the font on it. It's giving me those vibes that I feel like I want to go with my laundry room. I think I'm going to start actually getting soy candles because I feel like they last longer and they burn longer too as well. And I also got this candle to go in my laundry room too as well. I came across this really cute laundry sign, guys. Look at the font on this. Like, this is so cute. Like, it don't get no better than this, y'all. So basically, y'all, when I ended up getting this was actually I think $3, and I took the tag off of it on accident, but this was like $3, and this came from the Goodwill too as well. But at first, guys, it was actually white, and what I did was I end up spray painting this black. It's like a wood material, and I end up spray painting it black, and it just turned out so nice. Like, look guys, it's like cursive with the like a cursive writing, and it says laundry. And like I said, I spray painted it black, and it just turned out absolutely gorgeous. And y'all, I just love this right here. Like, this is so cute. Like, I love this. So yeah, I ended up spray painting it black, and I think it turned out really good. I think spray paint looks better when you like spray painting wood versus like metal or just anything cardboard or like anything else. And I think that's why it looks so good, and it looked like it actually came like this because it is wood, and it looks really good. Cute. Okay guys, so this next item that I end up getting, I think I can really like make this as a decor piece and actually sit stuff on top of it. And it's like a matte black, and I feel like I can like put stuff on top of it. So I end up coming across these really cute black plates, and originally they came from IKEA. Guys, and these plates were $1.99. They just look so sleek. I love this plate. They look so good. And I was thinking about like maybe putting like some washcloths on here and folding them up and actually like sitting these on top of here. I think that would look really cute with like washcloths kind of stacked on top of here that's white. And I think it'll really pop on that black. So I thought these were really cute. And I ended up getting 3 of them. So these are the other ones inside of here. And again, like I said, they were all $2 a piece, and they came from IKEA. So I thought these were really cute. And I'm going to definitely use one of these at least to put in my laundry room to stack some washcloths on to actually make a little cute little decor piece. So this basket, oh my god, y'all, this basket is absolutely gorgeous. It's very authentic. You can just tell it's not no cheap basket. This was probably handmade. This is so cute, guys. I end up getting this cute basket from the Goodwill. It is so cute, and it's like a tan color, and I just love the color. I think it will go really cute with like some tissue inside of it. You can really put anything inside of here. Tissue, rags, whatever, towels, whatever. Like when I seen this basket, I was like, that's a goner, because I'm getting this. Y'all, I was literally on a hunt for a basket like this, and y'all, Goodwill just always got little stuff like this. So if you ever looking for any like baskets or vases or canisters, anything like that, make sure y'all go to the Goodwill for that, because they have everything like that. I know some Goodwills be having different stuff, but y'all, yes, this came from the Goodwill, and it was absolutely gorgeous, and I'm glad I got it. I can do anything with this basket, and I'm super excited to actually dress it up and put it in my laundry room too as well. This is how big it is in the inside. Just give you guys a little close-up of the material, and then you guys will be able to see just how good quality it is. And like I said, you can just kind of tell that it is handmade too as well. So I thought this was really cute, guys. And guys, this was actually $2.99. So that was a really good price coming from the Goodwill. Yeah, guys, that was $2.99. And again, like I said, I can really see like some tissue in here or something like that. Looking real cute, sitting real pretty. And yeah, guys, I just love this basket. Comment below if you guys have any of these baskets in your laundry room. These are so cute, and I just think they're just really a staple for any space, especially a laundry room, because just look at it. It's just, it screams laundry. But yeah, I thought this was cute, and I'm excited to decorate this in my laundry room too as well. I end up coming across this really cute black vase. It's like a small vase, and what I did was I just had this little greenery right here in the house already, and I just kind of put some little like greenery in there and just kind of had it hanging like this. And I think this will go really cute on a shelf too as well. I love that it's a matte black, and it's just so gorgeous. And this is how it looked close up. Like, so cute. Like, how cute is this? Like, this will be really cute in the laundry room. I just love this, and I just love how the leaves, how the greenery just falls off of it right there. I like how I actually put that, and I think that turned out really cute. So this was actually $1.99. $1.99, y'all, for this good quality little vase. Like, this is too cute, okay? Perfect for popping a space, and you know, because I plan on doing my laundry room like a bright color. So I think this will go really cute, and I just loved this little vase right here. So cute, guys. So yeah, this was $1.99, and I got this from the Goodwill too as well. So I love this. So I actually have this little sign right here. Basically, y'all, when I got this sign, what I was literally looking for like a laundry sign for so long. I was literally gonna make this like a laundry sign, and I still might. I was probably gonna spray paint over black and then just put my own letters that said laundry in like a you know, like the little the letters that you can actually stick on a board or something like that. I was literally going to spray paint this black, and I was going to put laundry on it, because y'all, I could not find, literally for nothing, I could not find a laundry sign. That's why I was so geeked when I seen a laundry sign at the Goodwill, and I was like, oh my goodness, Lord, you was looking out for me, because I didn't think I was ever gonna find one. So y'all, when I seen this, I knew this was like the perfect size for like something that I wanted to put like laundry or wash and dry on. So I ended up grabbing this, but that was the only reason why I grabbed this piece right here. And it actually says Home Sweet Home, and it's actually pretty cute by itself, but it really don't go with anything in my house. So I think what I'm gonna do, guys, is that I think I'm gonna put wash and dry on here and like spray paint this. I think I'm gonna spray paint the board black, and then I think I'll put like wash and dry and like white letters, and I think that'll turn out really cute. But this actually came from the Goodwill too, and this was actually $2.99. So I thought that was a really good deal. And then originally this came from Hobby Lobby. I'm excited for this project, y'all. Okay, guys, so I ended up getting this little cute little basket to go in my laundry room too as well. And it was just 69 cents from the Goodwill. I think they got these at the Dollar Tree for 99 cents. But it was 69 cents at the Goodwill, and I thought it was a cute little white basket that I could put like anything in. Maybe some dryer sheets or something like that. So when I seen this, I was like, that'd be cute in the laundry room. So yeah, that's another piece that I got. I literally almost forgot that I had these little floating shelves that I got. I seen this little cute mini one. I thought this was so cute. I was like, oh, that's so cute. I seen like this little mini one I thought was really cute. I think this was like 99 cents. And I found this little black mini one, and then I ended up finding another one that was $1.99. And this was like a little bit bigger than the other one, and they were both black. I don't know where I'm gonna put these at yet, but like I said, I had got 2 of them, and I don't know where I'm gonna put them at yet, but I thought these was really cute, very affordable. You guys know I love the floating shelves. They're all around my house, but I got these from the Goodwill too, and they were really cute. So this is totally not a laundry piece, but I found this white furry chair, y'all. This really cute white furry chair. Y'all see this? Like a desk chair. Okay, that's the bottom. This is the top. And y'all, I found this little white furry desk chair, and this was actually $9.99. And y'all, I had to get this. Like, look at this. Look at this. Look how cute this is. Like, for real. Like, Cisco plan. So y'all, I was thinking about actually putting this inside of my bedroom, and actually putting it on my desk for like my little office space. I thought this was really, really cute. Like, this is so cute. Like I said, you could tell wherever it came from like a good quality place, and I just love the white. And it was $10, and it came from the Goodwill. So when I seen this, I had to have it. And then the seat adjusts to as well, so I liked that. Then they got like the little silver legs and the black roller feet. So yeah, this was $10, so I think this is the last thing. Okay, guys, so that actually sums up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my Goodwill haul today. I'm super excited to decorate my laundry room, and I'm super excited to do it over. So do not forget to comment below if you guys would like for me to film that and actually do a video on that process as well. And do not forget to comment below if you guys love laundry room decor, and do not forget to comment below which decor piece was actually your favorite. I actually love everything personally, because I personally picked out everything for the laundry room because I know exactly how I wanted it to look. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed the video, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And until then, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.